My dear students, in the previous class, we discussed what actually a phrase is. Now, we have to come to know here the classification and the use of phrase. And you must have a sound knowledge of part of speech before you start reading phrase. Because, as you know that a phrase is like a single part of speech. It is to act as a single part of speech. Therefore, its classification will be as of the classification of part of speech with a bit difference. It is a bit different means, as we know that there are 8 different kinds of parts of speech. But in the classification of phrase, we will learn that there are 6 different kinds of phrases. There are 6 different kinds of phrases means noun phrase, adjective phrase, adverbial phrase, prepositional phrase, conjunctional phrase and interjectional phrase. Primarily, the verb and the pronouns are left back, and its use we'll learn later on. Just to look at what is a noun phrase. The phrase which acts as a noun, as a single part of speech, will be called a noun phrase. For examples, to ride well requires practice. To ride well, this part is used as a phrase in the part of the subject of a sentence, and this requires is verb and practice is an object here. So since this total combination of words, group of words used as a single part of speech as a subject, it is hence a phrase. In the next example, he likes to play tennis. He subject likes verb here. And what does he like? To play tennis. This is used as an object of this sentence. Therefore, it is equal to a noun and noun phrase therefore. He enjoys. What does he enjoy? He enjoys walking by the riverside. So this whole part, walking by the riverside, acts as a single part of speech noun. What does he enjoy? Therefore, this whole part is considered to be a noun phrase. So the phrase which acts as a noun is called a noun phrase. Adjective phrase will act as an adjective. For example, he is without fear. He is bad. He is good. This kind of examples, good, bad, are actually act as an adjective. Therefore, these are adjective phrases. Similarly, he is without fear means he is fearless. A single word replaces group of words. That is equal to a phrase, and therefore it is an adjective phrase. He is free from blame means he is blameless. So this blameless word is replaced by free from blame. Therefore, this since blameless can become an example of adjective, so this total replacement can become an example of an adjective phrase. You are a man of fame. That is famous man. Man, noun, to be modified by the word famous. So famous is an adjective. Therefore, the word or the group of words replacing famous must become an adjective. Therefore, this is an equal to an adjective phrase. Adverbial phrase is to work as an adverb indicating time, place and means, etc. He worked with care. How did he work? Carefully, the word is clearly adjective, replacing the group of words with care. So, with care is an adverbial clause. You can get it in all places, means everywhere. So, everywhere the word is replaced by in all places. Therefore, in all places becomes an example of an adverbial clause. I want it at this moment. I want it at this moment means I want it now, immediately. So at this moment replaces now. So now is an example of adverb, and this clause, group of words becomes therefore an example of adverbial clause. Prepositional clause will act as a preposition. He stood in front of me. He stood in front of me. In front of is a word which mean before. It's a single word, part of speech. It is a prepositional preposition. Therefore, the phrase which will be replacing before must become an example of a prepositional phrase. He could not come on account of illness. On account of, this is the phrase, on account of. This on account of is a phrase replacing for. The for is a word which means a preposition. Therefore, this phrase is equal to a prepositional phrase. Next, conjunctional phrase. The phrase conjunction, as you must know, that conjunction is a part of speech which conjoins more than one facts or subjects or many things. So, come as soon as you can. Come is an idea, and you can is another idea. Two ideas are conjoined by as soon as. Therefore, as soon as is act as a conjunction. Therefore, this is a conjunctional phrase. Similarly, in the next example, not only he but also his brothers also were present. Not only but also acts here as a linker of the more than one thoughts. Therefore, this not only but also is a conjunctional phrase. Lastly, interjectional phrase. Interjectional phrase will act as an interjection. That is, we know that in case of interjection, we can give example like hooray, bravo, alas, few, etc. But here, our example of interjectional phrase must be a group of words. For example, what a pity, by Job, good heavens, etc. So thank you, student. Try to understand. If you can't understand, you must call me.